Dear students, we know the Lami's theorem. In the concurrent forces, the force acting on the body is directly proportional to the angle between, especially the sine angle between the other two forces. So, by using the Lami's theorem, how to solve the problems. See the question, find the tension in the two strings by using the Lami's theorem. So here two strings is given. See this diagram, actual question diagram. Okay. So this is like a roof, one roof. So here two forces acting. So the first force is here like this, and then second force is like this. So it is stretched, Okay. So here to produce tensional force T1, here to produce tensional force T2 due to by apply the 100 Newton weight here. Okay. So in this equilibrium condition, the angle made near the string is here that 30-degree angle made, then here 60-degree angle made. Actually it is given in the question. Okay, one diagram is given, T1 force is mentioned. I mean T1 is a tensional force produced in the string, T2 is that is tensional force 2 produced in this side string, then 100 Newton force is acting in the downward direction. So this is this is T3. Okay, but the question is find the tension in the two strings. Okay, so here 100 Newton only T2, what is that, T3. So what about T1 and T2? That is the question. So we want to find here what is the T1, what is T2, that is the question. Okay, so please listen, it is the center O. Okay, so first the how to approach this Lami's theorem. So first you solve the diagram, first you find the angle from the diagram. So if you find the angle from the diagram, then nearly 90% question is completed. Then after that only simple calculation. First you analyze this diagram. See that here 30 degrees given, here 60 degrees given. So we can get, this is to form the triangle. We know in the triangle the total angle is what? The total angle in the triangle, that is 180 degree. So here 60 came, here 30 came. So what about this angle? This angle is what? It is 90 degree. So 90 plus 60 plus 30, that is 180. Okay. Then see that if you observe this equilibrium point, just you divide like this. Divide like this. If you divide, we can get here 90 degree. Like that, it is a point O. Here also we can get 90 degree. Okay. Then next idea, see that one like a square. This angle is 30. What about this angle? This angle also 30. Correct, opposite angles are equal. So like that concept, here 30, so here also 30. Then here 60, so here also 60. It is like a square. Opposite angle. Here 30, here also 30. Here 60, here also 60. Clear? So we can find the angle. So now you know the Lami's theorem formula. Now we can write Lami's theorem formula. Yes. Instead of force 1, we can say tensional force. Because tensional force due to stretching of the string. So T1 divide by sine alpha, or f1 divided by sin alpha, f2 divided by sin beta, and f3 divided by sin gamma. So you know this formula. So that is f1 place la enna irukku t1 divided by, so t1 opposite angle is what, 90 plus 60 is 150, so sin 150 equal to t2 here, t2 opposite what, 90 plus 30 120, so sin 120 equal to f3 place what, t3. What is the angle? 90 degree here, opposite is what, 90 degree, so sin 90. So we know very well sin 90 is equal to 1. Okay, so we can write t1 divided by this sin 150, sin 150. So I feel it is difficult, sin 150. அப்போ இதை என்ன பண்ணலாம்னா, I can write in easy format. Sin 150 I can write as sin of 180 minus 30. 180 minus 30 what? 150. Same thing. Like that, t2 divided by sin 120 I can write sin of 180 minus 60. 180 minus 60 what? 120. Then finally, you know sin 90 value is equal to 1. So T3 only is there. What is the T3? T3 what? 100 Newton. So I can write 100 Newton. Okay. So the sin 90 is equal to 1. So this is 100 Newton. T3 is 100 Newton. So therefore, T1 divided by sin of 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta is sin theta. What is that? Sin 180 minus theta is, we can write as sin theta. In theta, what is the value? 30. Appa sin of 180 minus 30 is equal to sin 30. So sin 30. This is the trigonometry idea. So sin of 180 minus theta, that is sin theta. In theta place what? 30 is there. So 30, sin 30. Like that, t2 divided by sin of 180 minus theta, that is sin 60. Okay, because sin of 180 minus theta is sin theta. In theta place 60 is there, so 60 equal to 100 Newton. Okay, so now first I can compare these two. Idu mattum first compare pannalama. Okay, so please listen. I can compare this value first. So t1 divided by sin 30 equal to 100. So t1 divided by sin 30 equal to 100 Newton. Okay, so therefore t1 equal to 100 into sin 30. But sin 30 into 100 Newton. 100 Newton. So sin 30, sin 30 sin 30 what? Sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. So I can write 1 by 2 into 100 Newton. So we can write, first answer is 50 Newton. So now I found T1 value is 50 Newton. T1 value is 50 Newton. Like that, we are going to find T2 value. Okay, so I think here no place, so I can write in the upward, so I can write here, no problem. So please listen. So T2 formula, so T1 formula comparison over. Next, these two compare. What is that? T2 divided by sin 60 equal to 100 Newton. Therefore, T2 is equal to what? Therefore, T2 is equal to 100 into sin 60. So I can write here T2 equal to T2 equal to sin 60 into 100. Sin 60 into 100 Newton. So T2 is equal to sin 60. Sin 60, you know, root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 into 100 Newton. So 200 is cancelled, so we can get 50. So finally I can write T2 is equal to root 3 value 1.732 into 50 Newton. Okay, so I can write finally, please listen, I can write finally, I can write the question alone now. So T2 is equal to 1.732 into 50, already I calculated, that is 86.6 Newton. 86.6 Newton will come. Okay, so now we can find T2 is 86.6 Newton. Okay, see that. Dear students, I hope now you understand exact Lami's theorem with this problem. Thank you.